Is your healing? Is your healing? Your healing? Is your healing? Is your healing? Your healing?
If I'm keeping it a buck with you, I really don't feel like adulting today. But I woke up today blessed with a sense of gratitude, not because I feel better, but because I know how to get out of it. So, well, time's up. Life is calling. Let's get back to reality. Hey y'all, welcome to my channel and welcome back if you're returning. So, y'all, I've been in a funk lately. Like, I go through these, what I would like to say is like depressive moments. I don't think that I'm like high key suffering from depression, but there are moments where I feel very little motivation. I'm exhausted. I'm a little irritable. And if there are any single moms who's watching my channel, then y'all already know. Trying to clean up or keep a clean house with several kids in a house, it is complete. And it's not even, I mean, it's some of my oldest ones, but my precious, precious baby girl is an active little bug, you guys. And so I get very, very overwhelmed with the fact that I can't. Like, I have to give myself grace. I have to give myself grace, and I also have to allow her to be a kid, right? So in doing that, when I have these depressive moments when I don't want to clean up, I like, it's hard for me to get out of bed. It magnifies the situation because, baby, it be needing to be done all the time, all day, every day, all the time. You hear me? 365 days a year. And so I came here today to kind of talk about the importance of the correlation between depression and the importance of cleaning and cleansing. But a lot of times we just focus on the cleaning part and we don't necessarily consider the cleansing part of it as well. So what I often do is I'll pick up and clean up. And I'm going to tell you, I do not worry about it being spotless. Again, single mom of 3. It ain't going to be spotless, right? I just make sure it's not unlivable. I make sure it's not in a place where it's affecting me mentally. You know what I'm saying? Like, stuff being put in the wrong place, fine. Climbing over things or not being able to walk because there's toys spread out, like that is a whole nother level of this isn't healthy. You know what I'm saying? So anyway, I have made a practice that even after I clean up and pick up in my house, it is very important for me to cleanse, right? Especially in those moments where I am pulling myself out of bed because I know this needs to get done. And it's not going to get better until I actually get up out of the bed and do it. Like, it's the depression. It's the depression moments. It's not even funny. It's the depressive moments that causes you not to get out of bed. But you also know you're not going to get any better if you don't get out of bed and do some stuff, right? So anyway, sometimes it's just really just like boggling down saying, listen, I know one thing that I often do is that I do not let myself be down for more than 2 days. No more than 2 days. So it's like, okay, by tomorrow afternoon, I got to get up and move. You know what I'm saying? So that is one thing that helps me. And I kind of just wanted to dig in on it into this video, not only to encourage you, but also, again, speak about the importance of making sure that even after you clean up, you move that stagnant energy out of your house. So yesterday morning, I decided, okay, it's time. It's time to get up. I feel like not only do my house need a deep cleansing, but my house also needs to be saged, right? I was feeling a stagnant energy building up and I just couldn't move it. I would get on the yoga mat, I would do my yoga, I'd do my meditation, and it was like this energy was not moving. I was getting myself out of bed and moving because, you know, I ain't had no choice. I had to do, right? When you got kids, you got things to do. They got to eat. God forbid you don't pick up anything for 2 days. kitchens need to be cleaned. They may have practice. You may have to run to the store. Like, there are so many things that need to be done that doesn't always allow you the ability, especially as a single mom, to lay up for 2 days, right? I still keep to a minimum what I choose to do and what I don't do. I honor my moments, but I honor my moments to give myself grace, but I also force myself to get moving after but so long, you know. So we're gonna get into how my morning went as I dig a little deeper into this topic.
The link between mental health, particularly depression, and a clean environment has been studied in great depths. Scientific research has revealed that maintaining a clean environment and organized living space can significantly reduce the risk of developing depression. An organized environment promotes a sense of order and control. It reduces stress and anxiety levels significantly. Studies have shown that individuals who created a solid routine around cleaning and decluttering their space exhibit lower levels of cortisol, a stress hormone associated with depressive symptoms. Furthermore, exposure to natural light, which is often more accessible in tidy spaces, can boost serotonin production. Saging or smudging is a practice rooted in indigenous cultures that involves burning dry sage leaves to cleanse negative energies. Many people report feeling a sense of peace and clarity after smudging, reinforcing the notion that a clean space is intertwined with mental well-being. Quick brunch reminder that give yourself grace while you're cleaning your space. Take time to eat, take breaks, whatever is required for you not to overwhelm yourself. We do not want to continue to have negative energy within our house.
This would be the perfect time to get a word from our sponsor. It's me, y'all. I'm the sponsor. So, we're not that big yet, you know? We're not that big yet. But we do have a sage kit for you guys. So, my name is Ebony. If you're new here, I'm the owner of the Vibe Collection. It is an online spiritual shop that specializes in crystal waist beads and crystal anklets. We do have a sage kit that comes with a fire-safe abalone shell. And please use your shell, you guys, when you're saging, because sometimes those sparks be kind of going different places, and I hate for you to burn your furniture or carpet. So, safety first. We have an abalone shell that comes with the kit. It comes with 2 sage sticks, and it comes with 3 Palo Santo sticks. And the abalone shell also comes with a stand. So that is, just think 3 in 1. 3 Palo Santos, 2 sage sticks, and 1 abalone shell with stand. And if you have kids like me who are little demons themselves. No, just joking. No, my kids hate the smell of smoke. I hate the smell of sage. So sometimes when they're home, rather than smoke them out my house, I opt to use our sage spray. Our sage spray is infused with clear quartz and amethyst. Has a hint of rosemary in it, sage oil, and lavender oil. So by all means, you can use that as an option to, cleanse your space, give it a fresh little smell, and avoid your kids being mad at you. So, let's get back to this video. And when it comes to saging, make sure you guys do it with intent, right? Set a positive affirmation or 2, a mantra while smudging, or maybe even put on a high vibrational playlist. That's my go-to. Honestly, it does the job every time. I'll repeat a few mantras to myself or affirmations, but that playlist keeps the mood high for me, and I love it. So, just a little hack for you. In conclusion, your environment plays a pivotal role in your healing journey, particularly if you're grappling with depression. Cleaning and clearing your space, coupled with the practice of saging, can help break free from the cycle of negativity, allowing you to step into a brighter, healthier future. We want to live a high vibrational life, guys. We have to have high vibrational practices. Thank you for watching. If you want to see more videos about my healing journey, different spiritual practices that you can use, book reviews, yoga, breathwork, and more, please subscribe, like the video, share with your friends, because sharing is caring. And protect your peace, love yourself, and deal with life's shit with grace and gratitude. Love you.
Protecting my peace for so long, a little too good, now I'm so low. Watching reruns of the same shows, almost everybody I'm a no-show. Even with green lights I don't go, never been sure, no I don't know. How does everybody else let go of the ego? Don't go out nearly as much as I should, barely know the way around my neighborhood. I'm ruminating, I feel no good, not living life like I know I could, like I know I could, like I know I should.
Last but not least, don't forget to click the link in our description area. Sign up for our email list and receive free shipping on your first order.